journey because of this you also realize that you haven't even enjoyed the riding with us today because after all, it's you who made this possible. The ticket you bought not only got you a ride on America's oldest railroad, it is also a contribution to preserving the past in our beautiful Langston County farm. Grand Central Station is next, East Stroudsburg. Just a reminder about safety, please wait until the train is come so you can quickly stop in the station before leaving your seat. As you leave the train, please execute the open door nearest you. And watch your step, and leave only on the station side. And remember, the golden rule when crossing the tracks is to stop, look both ways, and listen. The locomotive will pass by on the parking lot side of the train. So please, do not attempt to cross the tracks until the locomotive is safely passed. Finally, be sure to check the area around you and make sure you have all your personal possessions leaving nothing behind. And please remember to wear your masks while on the train or on our mall. Thank you. From all of us at the Stroudsburg Railroad Company, we would like to say thank you for riding the road to paradise. Remember, the next time you travel, why not take the train? It's a lot more fun and it's very safe. Grand Central Station is next. East Stroudsburg, all change. Now folks, we may be pausing here for just a moment while Thomas is ready to back out of the station. But as he does so, make sure you wave, yell, and cheer to him and give some encouragement. You know, all the passengers on board that train listening to them local their journey out to the road paradise. Again, we may be pausing here for just a few minutes. Thank you for your understanding.